Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, November 20th. The Zen story for today is titled The Villager with the Fox Tattoo. She arrived at dusk with a bundle of firewood, her stride slow and certain, like she'd crossed seasons to reach him. The monk was sweeping the porch. He'd seen her before from afar, always passing the edge of the forest, always alone. But today she came straight to him, set the firewood down, and stretched her arms with a sigh that carried seasons. Thought your fire might be tired, she said. He offered tea. She accepted without hesitation. They sat on the porch. The fox lay a few feet away, tail coiled neatly around its paws, pretending not to listen. That's when he saw it. Her sleeve slipped up as she reached for the cup. A tattoo on her forearm, faded but unmistakable. A fox, inked in sweeping black lines, its tail curling around a full moon. He tried not to stare, but failed. You've met him then, she said, not looking up. The fox? The monk asked. No, she replied. The question. He blinked. What does it mean? She ran a finger across the rim of her cup. I got it after my first real silence. Not the kind where you stop talking, the kind where everything else stops talking back. The monk waited, unsure of more, if more would come. She continued. The fox was never there to be tamed. It's the wind that circles before you notice the weather's change. It's the missing sock, the extra heartbeat. It's the part of you that doesn't answer to you. I don't understand, the monk admitted. She smiled. That's because you're still asking. The monk looked down at his hands. But if I stop, then you'll hear him clearer. She stood, brushing dust from her trousers. Or not. He doesn't always like being heard. The fox lifted its head, watched her. As she turned to leave, she called back. You'll know it's time to stop chasing him when he starts chasing you. And then she vanished into the trees, same as she came. No rustle, no trail. The monk sat with his tea until it cooled. Later, when he looked again, the fox was gone. But etched faintly into the porch wood, as if someone had dragged a thumb through ash, with a small curling shape, a tail, or a question mark. He didn't touch it. He just sat a little longer, waiting to see what else might show up. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. We often receive answers when we stop asking. How does this idea land for you? We often receive answers when we stop asking. How does this idea land for you? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. We often receive answers when we stop asking. How does this idea land for you? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.